Another torso model. This is muscle anatomy, another model you may use for the exam. I'm just going to start with the head is maybe not as clear as some of the other models. So trapezius, deltoid, pectoralis major, pectoralis minor, rectus abdominis, external oblique, and they removed that, I can tell, because the fibers are going a different direction. That's the internal oblique. So pay attention to the direction of fibers. Axillary region, we see serratus anterior. Just keep moving down this front side. Got the quadricep muscle, vastus medialis, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis. Underneath the rectus femoris is the vastus intermedius. I have missing here the tensor fascia lata muscle that connects with this iliotibial band. I am going to get to that vastus intermedius after I take the sartorius off and show you adductor longus, pectineus, iliopsoas, and in here we see the gracilis. Now I'm going to take this sartorius off just so we can get to and remove the rectus femoris and get to the vastus intermedius. Vastus medialis, medial, vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis. And you have the patellar tendon here. Moving down leg, find the tibia bone, and in front of that, tibialis anterior, extensor digitorum longus, goes to the digits, peroneus longus and the brevis. Longus long, brevis abbreviated, shorter. We'll just say peroneus muscle is okay. In my hand now I've got the soleus and the gastrocnemius and the Achilles tendon there. All right, let's keep moving them around. We're down here low. This is a little bit of a problem. Lost its pins. But let's go to the hamstring muscles. We've got the gastrocnemius down here low, lower leg. We're going to move up to the hamstrings. This is the biceps femoris, semitendinosus, and inside thigh adductor magnus. This is the gluteus maximus and the gluteus medius. By the way, I didn't mention, this is the largest muscle, and I guess you could argue the most powerful. Not ounce for ounce, but it is the largest muscle in the human body. And a very strong walking muscle, straightens the leg, those things. Here, the back, posterior, latissimus dorsi, teres major, teres minor, infraspinatus, and this is the trapezius again. All right, deltoid. Back of the arm, we have the triceps brachii. This is the long head, and this is the lateral head. I don't really see the medial head on this one. It's got 3 sections to it, but lateral and long is what I see clearly there. The arm, let's see if we can make sense of that. I have this in other video models. I'm going to put right here the brachioradialis. I don't know if you can see that quite as well. And then remember, these are extensors. So here we have the extensor. Here's the brachioradialis, the extensor carpi radialis. Next to that, we have the extensor digitorum going to the digits. And I can let go of all this. The extensor right there, carpi ulnaris, because it goes to the ulnar side of the arm. All right. inside of the arm. We've done this. I'll do my best. It's a fixed arm. Brachioradialis. Can't see it, but I'm going to move my pencil. Pronator teres. Next, flexor carpi radialis. Goes to the thumb side. Next, flexor digitorum. Goes to the digits. And then next to that, right here, flexor carpi ulnaris. Goes to the pinky side. All right? That's mainly what I can show you from this model.